How to crossplay GTA 5 online, PC and PS5. I'm going to tell you whether you can crossplay GTA 5 online between PC and PS5. Right now, GTA 5 Online does not support crossplay between PC and PlayStation. That means if you're on PC and your friends is on PS5, you can't join the same online lobby. Each platform has its own separate servers. The only cross progression Rockstar offers is if you transfer your GTA Online character and progress from PS4 or Xbox to the newer PS5 or Xbox Series X or S version. But that's a one time transfer, not true crossplay. So the only way to play together is to be on the same platform. PC players stick with PC, and PS5 players stick with PlayStation servers. Until Rockstar adds crossplay, which could happen in GTA 6 Online, but not in GTA 5.